VDM, VDM, NGO money. I'm going to be exposing you guys to a lot of things that you do not know in this video, okay? While you are excited to watch the video, now go and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Look at the subscribe button there. Smash on it. Yes, that's what I need you to do for me. While I expose you to what you do not know. You get value from this channel. Make sure you subscribe. Back to VDM. A lot of you don't know VDM, so let me introduce you to VDM. VDM is a human rights activist, social commentator, defender of the defenseless. He is the one that helps the cow that does not have a tail to pursue flies. Okay? He likes to defend the cause of innocent people. He likes to fight against oppressors. Few months ago, he came out and he said, you know what? I want to do more for the society, but I do not have the money. So he floated an NGO, a non-governmental organization. And he said that the modus operandi would be building schools and, taking children off the streets and putting them back in school. Out of school children, he wants to take them back to school, give them free school uniform and free books. To do this, he needs money. So, because he has large following on social media, he made this thing public. Because of the high level of trust people have in him, Nigerians donated handsomely towards this charitable and humanitarian cause. They trust VDM. So they entrusted hundreds of millions in his custody, about 200 million naira. Yes, about 200 million naira, over 200 million naira was realized and put in this guy's custody. Now, while this was going on, a lot of people were alleging that this guy was taking from the NGO money for his personal use. I was one of the few persons who told the people around me that impossible. VDM cannot do it. VDM cannot do it. They asked me, why do you trust him so much? Is it because he's from your state? No, it's not because he's from my state. It's because I know that the young man is smart. Now, let's leave VDM alone. Let me prove to you that he doesn't need to take from the money because I know he is smart. Now, let's assume that I tell you guys, oh, donate to a charitable cause. I want to do something charitable for the society. You guys should donate money for me. And you guys were to donate half of what was donated to VERYDARKMAN. Say 100 million naira was donated into my custody for something charitable. And boom, I have a family emergency. Very important medical emergency for a family member, and I need 1 million naira to foot the bill. The question is, Victor, would you take from the 100 million we have donated to you to solve that family emergency? If I do that, it would amount to stealing. It doesn't matter what I want to use it for. I would be a thief if I did that. Now, the question is, would I take it? The answer is no, I wouldn't take it. Then you ask me, why not? Are you a saint? No, sir, I'm not a saint. I won't take it. Because it doesn't make sense for me to take 1 million from the 100 million you people have donated for me. Okay, because it doesn't make any sense. I can make more than that 1 million from that 100 million without having to steal. So why steal? I spoil my name, I spoil my reputation, and I get less. Why don't I take more without any reduction in your 100 million? Let me show you something. I press this plus sign at the bottom, and I'm asked to select a tenure. Let me select between 31 to 60 days, because eventually I would go for 30 days, making it 1 month. All right, how much do I want to lock away? The entire 100 million you people put in my custody. Okay? The entire 100 million. Let me call the title of this lockup NGO. All right? Set a payback date. I'm setting it to be exactly 1 month. All right? Exactly 1 month. Let me preview this. Wait and see this magic that is going to happen now. Wait. Keep your eyes wide open. I hope you have subscribed, though. I hope you have liked this video. Just wait. I want to open your eye to something. Now, here is the magic. Okay? Look at it. Look at what I will get immediately I lock up this 100 million naira. Immediately. I locked it up. I'm locking the 100 million naira up for 1 month. But up front, I am paid interest of how much? 1,274,000. Now tell me, why should I steal 1 million? Spoil my name when I can get 1,274,000 legitimately with the 100 million intact, just that I will be getting it back in the next 1 month. So I would do this, lock it up here, get this interest, then tell you guys I'm working on the modality for my NGO. I'll be going places, posting videos for you guys, tell you that work will start in the next 2 months. I'm going to start work in the next 2 months. What am I eyeing? I'm eyeing making more profit. Maybe I'll lock it up for another 1 month. At the end of the day, I would have made well over 2.5 million on top of the 100 million still being intact. This is PiggyVest, high interest savings account. PiggyVest has been around for a very long time. Is it up to 10 years, if not more? Fact check me in the comment section. Okay, there are several high interest savings accounts backed by SEC, Securities and Exchange Commissions, bank level security they have. All right, your monies are domiciled in SEC, NDIC backed organizations, and you earn this kind of returns. All right, this is not financial advice, but I'm just trying to make sense. My videos are for entertainment and information purposes only, but this is what people are doing. This is what the treasurer of your meeting, that you people that has custody of all those millions in your meetings, and when it's time for them to pay money for something, treasurer is sitting on the money. This is what your treasurer is doing. Let me not expose Mr. Treasurer, so that you don't go to a meeting tomorrow, you start frowning at the treasurer. This is what people are doing. And as a matter of fact, those of you who have huge sums of money sitting, the person who put the money in your custody, they don't need the money in the next 1 year, 2 years. Come on, guys. I'm not the one that advised you. I'm not giving you financial advice, but it is doable. All right? So in the description of this video, use my link to register for PiggyVest. I put another one. That one is even more, they offer more juicier returns than PiggyVest. It is in the description of this video as well. Okay? Join, come on board, start saving. They don't pay returns on only huge sums like 100 million. I just used VDM to attract you to this video to come and watch. You can lock up 50,000. I've been using this app for close to 8 years now. I've been using this particular app, PiggyVest, because it helps me to save, especially this lockup. When you lock up funds like this, it helps me to save. When I have 40,000, 50,000, I lock it for 2 months. Okay, that temptation to spend is not there. I don't have. The moment I lock up the money, I have locked it up. Come and ask me for money I don't have. I have locked it up already. So if you are one of those people that you are still giving money to all those thrift collectors, all those men and women that will carry bags and be walking around collecting your money, and when they collect your money, they will now write your name on a piece of paper saying that is your contribution for when that person will die. One thrift collector died in my area. If you see one particular man cry more than the bereaved, cry more than the children of the man, without have to ask him, Oga, what is your problem? This your tears can fill a whole bucket. The man said, that man, don't you know that the man that died is a thrift collector? All my life savings is with him. Now his children are telling me that they don't know anything about where he kept the money and all that. You cannot even sue them because thrift collector. Many thrift collectors have collected people's money and run away. Some of them run away to other cities while some of them run to heaven. I don't know whether they want to go and spend the money there. Okay, so there are high interest savings accounts where you can keep your money and it will yield you massive returns legitimately with your capital still intact. All right, look in the description of this video. That should be my own token now. Sign up with my link. This is just a token that I'm going to earn. One-off token I earn, and I will never earn again after then. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, okay? Like the video and share it with somebody else so that they don't just keep their monies in their typical bank savings account where bank is charging you monthly card maintenance, email, SMS alert fees. Banks just look for excuse. When you sneeze self, they will debit your account. If you deposit 100K into your account, automatically you get a lot of 99K and some fraction, because bank manager allowance would be deducted immediately you deposit. Thank you for watching this video. I remain Victor Sibo. If you learned something from this video, write in the comment section below and let me know what your next course of action is going to be. 2025 is going to be a very great year of financial breakthrough for all of us. Be smart. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.